Just simply come on to Instagram, sign up for a free account, then come over here and then simply sell that account for hundreds of dollars, all just by following this simple method. Hello guys, I'm back again with a super simple method to earn $231 now on these free applications. This is a completely beginner friendly method, so basically anyone can do this right after watching this video. This method is completely available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021 if you're a maximalist like I am. Then make sure to watch the whole video with focus because I'm going to be sharing a few small secret steps that will allow you to maximize your profits. And now guys, I'm going to be jumping into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method, and also subscribe to our channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. So without wasting any more time guys, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to Instagram.com, and then once you come out of Instagram.com, I want you to create a brand new profile like this one. Now guys, over here in front of you, I have a brand new Instagram profile, and this doesn't cost any money at all. All you have to do is simply come on to Instagram.com, sign up for absolutely free, and that is it. You will now have a sign up form in front of you, and when you sign up, you will have your account in front of you. Now once you have this basic demo account set up, simply click on the settings, and then from over here click on privacy and security. Now once you click on privacy and security, from over here basically see if your account is a private account. If this box is checked, well then that means your account is a private account. Simply uncheck this box. Now once you do that, back up. From over here, simply click on edit profile, and then once you click on edit profile, simply change the name to I love cats, and then after that from over here change it to something like cats are the best animals. Now once you rename this, you will be able to see if this username is available or not. So from over here we can see that this is available, so that is best. So from over here simply add in something more as well, best cats account on Instagram. Now once you type in these lines, that is gonna get you a lot of attention on your account, and then from over here in the bio simply put in a link to a YouTube video of cats, or basically just leave it blank like this. So after that simply back up once again, and now you have yourself a basic setup account. So simply refresh the page, and now you will be able to see all these things. Now if you don't for any reason, simply go back in here. Maybe we did not save the changes or something like that. So I'm gonna type in this again, are the best animals, and then from over here I'm gonna type in again I love cats, best Insta page for cats. Now once I do this, again simply remove the website, click on submit, wait for a couple of seconds, and now it is saying that enter a name under 30 characters. So I don't know why it is not saving this. So I'm gonna take a second and I'm gonna get this fixed. So over here I have this fixed now. Now basically the username is cats are love 123 and the title is cats are the best. Simply go into edit profile again, click on change profile photo, and then from over here pick a cat's picture. Now once you do that, click on submit once again once the picture is up on your account, and then simply back up, and now you have yourself a cat account. Now guys, to grow your following, what you can do is that simply click on the search bar and type in hashtag, and after that type in cats. Press enter on the first hashtag. Now once this loads up, over here in front of you, you have hundreds and even millions of cat pictures right there for you guys to take full advantage of, and basically download and then re-upload on your own channel. Now what you can do is that you can simply click on any one of these pictures, simply right click and simply save as, and then that is gonna download the web page. But if you want the exact picture, simply type in the Windows search bar and type in snipping tool. You simply use this tool to grab yourself these pictures like this. So once you have these pictures, simply re-upload them onto your own profile, and then that is gonna let you have a very nice looking profile. But now guys, you want to accumulate followers, you want to have a big following as well, so that you can basically sell your account for hundreds of dollars, because that is the main purpose of this method, to actually sell your account. Now over here what you can do is that simply scroll through these cat images, and then from over here simply scroll to find the image with the most likes or with the most comments. Now over here this one seems to be the most liked, but this one seems to have the most comments. So I'm gonna click on this one, and I am going to like this, and I'm also gonna follow this page. Now guys, when I follow this page, I will have followers in my account coming as well, because like people will be able to see my page over here like this, like I'm able to see these pages. Now similarly, back up once again, and then from over here simply scroll down again, find a picture with the most comments. This one seems to have the most comments. I'm gonna open this, like this, go to the page, and then from over here simply follow this page as well. Now guys, once I do these things, I am basically accumulating followers for my own use, and like people are gonna follow me once they see that like I'm also following cat stuff, so like that makes me look legit. So guys, like now from over here, click on profile again, and then from over here you have yourself your profile once again. Now guys, you're not going to be getting like thousands of followers overnight. It might take a couple of days, but after a few days you will have at least 1,000 followers if you were to like follow and like these images every single day on these hashtags. Now you can even hunt different hashtags as well, like cats, or like maybe cats of Instagram, cats Instagram, catsagram, cats of fig, cats lover, cats, and cats of world. So like there are just so many options over here that you can explore. It all depends upon you. So like now that you understand how you're going to be getting followers, now we're going to move on to step number 2, where I'm going to show you where you can sell your page. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to socialtradia.com. Now guys, socialtradia.com is going to be the website that you can use to like actually buy and sell Instagram accounts. Now they offer money back guarantee as well. They offer security too, and they also offer a lot of other benefits as well, like surveillance as well. So like basically you can like literally list your Instagram account over here, even if you have like 2,000 followers or like 3,000 followers, and then you can sell it for like $100, for like $200. Guys, if you were to like follow this method for your Instagram account for like let's say 10 to 20 days, well then after that you will have a lot of followers accumulated, and then you will be able to sell them for like a couple of $100. So like guys, isn't that amazing? I think that that is pretty sweet, and I think that you should definitely go for this method. Now again, over here, if you were to have like 100,000 followers, which you can easily get, you know, like there are thousands of services out there that can like give you let's say 10,000 followers for like a 10 or 20 bucks. You can like take full advantage of them and like spend 20 bucks, and then after that sell that account over here for like $200. Now like guys, that is a 10x gain on your investment. So like guys, this is gonna be a pretty smart investment, and I would highly advise that you guys go for this method, because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.